What is the process for verifying education for employers?
Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the process for verifying education for employers. Verifying education is a crucial step for employers to ensure that the qualifications and credentials claimed by job applicants are accurate and trustworthy. In this video, we will break down the verification process into several sections and provide you with a step-by-step guide.
Obtaining consent from the applicant.
The first step in the verification process is to obtain consent from the job applicant. Employers need to inform applicants that their education credentials will be verified as part of the hiring process. This can be done through a consent form or a disclosure statement that the applicant needs to sign.
Contacting educational institutions.
Once the applicant has provided consent, the employer will proceed to contact the educational institutions listed on the applicant's resume or application. This typically involves reaching out to the registrar's office or the admissions department of the respective institutions.
Requesting verification documents.
In this step, the employer will request verification documents from the educational institutions. These documents may include official transcripts, diplomas, degrees, or certificates. Employers should specify the necessary information they require, such as dates of attendance, degrees earned, and any honors or distinctions.
Verifying the authenticity of documents.
Upon receiving the verification documents, the employer needs to verify the authenticity of the provided documents. This can be done by cross-checking the documents with the institution's official records, looking for security features on physical documents, or contacting the institution directly to confirm the legitimacy of the documents.
Checking accreditation and reputation.
To ensure the quality and credibility of the educational institution, employers should check the accreditation and reputation of the institution. Accreditation is a process where an external organization evaluates and certifies that an institution meets certain standards of quality education. Employers can verify accreditation by referring to recognized accrediting bodies or databases.
Employing third-party verification services.
In some cases, employers may choose to employ third-party verification services to streamline the verification process. These services specialize in verifying education credentials and can provide a more efficient and comprehensive assessment. Employers can outsource the verification process to these services, which often have established relationships with educational institutions. Verifying education is an essential step for employers to ensure they are hiring qualified and honest candidates. By following this step-by-step process, employers can effectively verify education credentials, check for authenticity, and assess the reputation of educational institutions. Remember, accurate verification leads to a more reliable hiring process and a stronger workforce. Thank you for watching today's video, and we hope this information has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time.